Ready to unlock some serious savings at Walmart with those rewards points you've been racking up? First, let's see how many points you've got. Open your Walmart app and tap on the Rewards tab at the bottom of your screen. This is your Rewards HQ. Here, you'll see your points balance and any available bonus offers. Keep an eye on those bonus offers for even faster ways to earn. Now, let's find some things to redeem those points on. Look for items marked eligible for rewards while browsing or searching in the app. Add those eligible items to your cart just like you normally would. The rewards will automatically apply at checkout. Head to your cart when you're ready to check out and you'll see the Apply Rewards section. Tap on the button to redeem. You'll see your rewards points being applied, reducing your total. You can adjust the amount of points you want to use if you don't want to use them all. Review your discounted total and complete your purchase. Congratulations! You just saved money using your Walmart rewards.